अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। स्टूडेंट्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे कंप्यूटर वायरसेस। वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल एंड। इफ यू लाइक द चैनल, सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल to get more informational video regarding computer or etc. Let's start the topic: computer viruses. The computer viruses is just like a biological virus which causes damage to the human body or cause diseases. The difference between a computer and biological virus is a micro living organism, and a computer virus is a computer program which can cause extensive damage to our computer system. The computer viruses are programs written in some high level languages so that they may bring some damage to the computer system. They bring damage of both kinds, the damage of software and the damage of hardware. These viruses are very dangerous and harmful to the computers because they can damage boot sectors, data sectors, file allocation tables, and even all the data in the hard disks. We even don't know about them, and they reach our computer because they are hidden programs. They attach themselves secretly to the other programs which you use and execute. That is why most of the users are unaware of the danger posed by the viruses and make no efforts to protect their computers. This is the reason viruses become successful in reaching our computers and damage the data. The program which is infected by the virus means which receives the virus is called the host. To infect the host program, the virus modifies the host to store a copy of the virus. After having damaged the host, now the viruses will replicate itself. It means the virus will copy itself to different places on the same computer or will look for ways to reach other computers. The viruses can be programmed to copy themselves and travel in many ways. Here are some common ways of viruses traveling from one place to the other: by using an infected storage device, by downloading an infected file, by an email, by accepting message on internet, by pirated material, by using infected storage device. When a flash drive, floppy disk, or any other external storage device is connected to an infected computer, the virus will automatically be transferred from the infected computer to that flash drive or connected storage device. Now this flash drive, floppy drive, or any storage device has also become virus infected. And when this infected drive or disk is connected to the other computer, it will transfer the virus automatically. By downloading an infected file, viruses can travel to your computer if you download an infected file to your computer. If you have not installed an antivirus program, you will even not come to know that you have become the victim of dangerous and harmful viruses. By an email. The email has become the most common method of spreading virus. When you receive a file attached to an email and the attached file is infected, it will also infect your computer. Sometimes the viruses are of kind that they don't need an attached file, but they can hide themselves within the message itself. In this case, by only opening the email will infect your computer. By accepting messages on internet. Computer can infected by just accepting what the user sees on the screen while browsing the internet. Sometimes a window appears and says this program is necessary for your PC or your PC is slow. Click OK, it will make your PC fast, or similar type of messages without fully understanding what it is. If the user clicks OK, the virus replicates itself immediately. That's all for today. We'll meet in next video inshallah soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.